guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today I have a new video that I haven't done for you guys yet. I am doing an unboxing of a purse. Now, I don't know about you, but I feel like during quarantine, I just, I've been doing pretty, I've been very busy, and I'm like, you know what, I deserve to spoil myself. And if you're able to and it's reasonable within your means, why not? So this is an unboxing of a very popular purse, I guess, that has been coming up. I've been researching about this purse so much because they say that it's very similar to the Louis Vuitton pochette, which is right, I'm gonna put it right here. This is an unboxing. I've been obsessed with these videos, so I hope you enjoy it, and let's get started. Okay guys, so my mom got the same purse, and I kind of convinced her to get it. Now, I love the color of this purse. I love the brand. You're gonna be like, what? So the brand of this purse is Coach. Now, yes, I would have never thought, I would have never really seen myself buying a Coach purse. It's just something that hasn't really come out with, I would say, that has been really great with designs. I feel like it didn't really hit my age market, or I just wasn't a big fan. I know it was a hype back in the day. I was too young back in the day to even want to buy my own Coach purse, but I've been really seeing their designs, and I feel like they really are upping their game. I really feel like I think they're trying to make a comeback, and this purse has been so popular that I researched it. I feel like so many people love it. So many people are actually thinking that it's kind of like, it's not a dupe because they have had this purse before. When I saw this purse, I immediately fell in love with it. I kept thinking, I'm like, oh my god, should I buy it, should I not? Mind you, I really don't think it was really expensive. Coach did have a sale as well for Mother's Day. It was a spring sale, and I got it for a really good price. I got it for less than $200, and I think let's just shut up and let's go for the unboxing. Now, I did open the hard box of it, but I have not gone inside, so let's go. I'm so excited. I've been waiting. This has been in my room, and I'm like, no, I want to do an unboxing. Okay, so I think this is backwards. Oh, it's backwards. Okay, we're going. Oh yeah. Yeah. So once you open it, it says Coach. And it comes, I ordered it from the Coach store itself. Now, I know that this color was sold out. So that was very exciting that I got it right before. Because I had to get my mom's actually from Dillard's. So this is what it looks like. The packaging is so cute. Okay, so that's off. Oh, I thought it was like the Louis Vuitton ones, but I guess not. Sorry. Okay, so we're opening it. Comes in a nice little packet. We're gonna open the seal. Ah! Nice little, comes in a nice little bag. Guys, I was really thinking, I was like, wow, I would never think that I would buy a Coach purse, but honestly, it's not even because it's not like Coach is trendy. I'm really a person that goes by what she likes, what she's currently in the mood for, and I look at trends, but I'm not someone who follows them by the T. And here it is. This is, now I know the color looks a little off here. So this is the Cassie 19, which is the smaller version of the Cassie. The reason why this purse sold me, not only is the detailing so pretty, like the detailing of the Coach, the gold hardware, the chalk color. So this is actually, this is not white, this is chalk. So it's like almost like a nude cream kind of color. And what sold me about this purse is not only does it have this handle so that you could wear like this, is that you also have the long chain so you could wear it like a crossbody in the same color, of course. So that's two ways. And then the third way you can wear it is really what sold me, is the gold chain hardware that it comes with that matches the C on the front of the purse. And guys, I feel like this really does give it a look of like high-end, high fashion. It's so versatile. You can wear it so many different ways. Guys, how beautiful is that? I love it. Now obviously the chains are connected by a little, oh, there's an eyelash there. So I'm gonna cut the plastic off just so I can show you guys how pretty the hardware actually is. Not only that, so what people say, it's just there's so many wears of it. Here, let me cut the tag. Hold please. So this purse is originally, I believe it's $230, $250, I believe, and I got it for sale. Honestly, it was around like $150. I don't remember. I just clicked, but I will put, but it's so beautiful, it's so pretty. You open it, it's so, I think what sold me on it really, guys, is how spacious it is. It's like a going out purse. You could wear it so many different ways, but you can fit so many things in it. Your phone, your makeup, and crossbody, and like a little chain. It's funny because I feel like you can really decorate this however you want it. So let me go ahead and attach this to the side. And what I've been seeing people do, this is kind of what sold me, guys, is that you can wear it just like this. Pretty is that, guys? I love. If you don't want to wear it like this, you can totally take this off and you could just wear it like this, which I think is super chic, super pretty. I love it. Now I know that this purse is probably more seasonal, it's not for the winter and stuff, but I'm really like not those kind of people that I'll wear boots in summer. Like I'll wear mini shorts in winter. Like I will dress like I'm in Miami when I'm in New York in the winter. I'm really just someone who, if I'm feeling it, I'm feeling it. I'm not someone who really, like, I'll follow the trends. If I like it, of course. But just some things like this that you would never expect, that is actually such a reasonable price. I just really loved it. I don't have like this type of color purse. My luxury purse that I bought last year was actually the Palm Springs Louis Vuitton mini, and I'm obsessed with it, and that's like a brown in the monogram. But this, I just see myself being so versatile, so cute with it. I just love it. This is the crossbody strap, just so you can see it. It's just the same color with the gold hardware, which I love because it's like an antique gold. It's very pretty. I just feel like the shape of this purse is very Celine, Chanel-esque, almost with that Gucci hardware kind of look. It's a really nice quality. Coach has really good quality, and I also found out that they have lifetime, not warranty, but you can go into any Coach store and they will clean it for you. They'll clean the leather and maintain it for you, which is, I think, is an awesome deal. So all around, I haven't worn this purse. I'm probably gonna wear it to Le Sofa or Le Bathroom, but I'm really happy with this purse. I'm very excited. I can't wait to actually wear it out. I think I'm gonna wear it a lot like this with the chain hanging, and I'm probably gonna wear it without the chain and like this. Crossbody I'll probably do when I'm on the go or something, but I'm definitely obsessed with this purse. I'm really excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I haven't done unboxings. I'm trying to, not spend too much money during quarantine. I'm trying to be, smart with my money as well. So this in no way, shape, or form, I don't want it to seem like I'm boasting or anything like that. It's just something that I wanted to spoil myself with because I have been working really hard during this quarantine and making the best out of it. So why not spoil yourself every once in a while? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys like more types of these videos, like reviews and unboxing and stuff like that, let me know. And I hope you guys are staying safe, being smart. Do as much as you can with your time, and if you're not feeling it, you're not feeling it. So love you guys. Besitos. Bye. Oh yeah, I painted my nails. Do you like it?